Hello guys, it's another episode. It's your boy Still FX. Today we'll be giving you a strategy that will make you win big in the markets. Will reduce your losses, and I'm sure pretty good if you stick to this strategy, you'll be able to start making money consistently in the market. So this strategy is simply for our analysis. So the strategy is all about knowing a particular candlestick, which I'm about to show you. And this candlestick is also called the bullish or bearish engulfing candle. So candle, the candle have to engulf the order for it to be valid. So, and the candle has to have some criteria, which is it needs to have a long wick at the top. I will show you some examples so that you can really get to know this. And if you really follow up with this strategy, you'll be able to start making money in the forex market. So let's get see some strategy, some candlestick like this. Here's what I'm talking about. Okay, here's what I'm talking about. Here's what I'm talking about. If you can see this this candle here, this bearish candle here engulfs the last bullish candle. Engulfs the last bullish candle. And if you see, okay, let me use maybe a darker color so that it could be really clear so that you can see what I'm saying. So if you can see, the bearish candle engulfs the bullish candle, which is the other candle, and you can see there's a wick. There might be a wick or no wick at the top or at the bottom. So after seeing this bearish candlestick, then it's a confirmation for you to enter your trade. So for you to be able to enter your trade, we use the 15 minutes to enter, which is our entry is 15 minutes. So let's go to our 15 minutes and let's look for where we marked, which is the candle we marked. You're looking for that candle we marked, so you can see how accurate this strategy is, and you can do your own back testing at your own leisure time to see how this strategy really works. Okay, here we are. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So after this candlestick closes here, we wait for a retest. Or if there is no wick in the candle, the last candle you are about to, that you see on the 4 hours, just simply enter after the close of that candle. Are you seeing it? Immediately the candle closed, there was a push down. Are you seeing it? There was a push down. Are you seeing what I'm saying? There was a push down straight up with that stop. You understand? So From here you make some good profit. Maybe you're using fixing 1 ratio 3, you'll be able to make good profit in this market. So it's just for you to come to the 15 minutes. Immediately it closes, immediately the candle just closes. Maybe the last candle closes here. Immediately it closes, you take your trade. You can take your trade at this region. Start taking your trade. Leave it. Put your stop loss above the last 15-minute candle and leave it to take 1 ratio 2 or 1 ratio 3 or 1 ratio 4 or 1 ratio 5, depending on your emotional capability or your risk tolerance. That is what you do. You understand? So it's a pretty simple trust strategy, and if you have the time, backtest it and confirm what I'm saying. Anytime there's a bullish engulfing, look at one here. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing it? This bearish candle engulfs this bullish candle, and after that, see, it's a big sell. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? There's a lot and a lot of examples here. You should see it, guys. So simply just go to the 15 minutes and pick start trading, place your market and start going. And then if you can even still see bullish, let's give you a bullish example. Let's bring this thing down and let's show you. So you see this candle. I think the bullish candle now engulfs the bearish candle. So it's a very simple strategy. The bullish candle engulfs it on the 4 hours. Look at it. Listen, it engulfs the bearish candle. And see, the movement was like massive. The movement was massive. So just simply you being patient. Immediately you see the bullish candle engulfs the other one at the 4 hours candle. Just know it's a good buy up. And if the bearish engulfs the bullish in a down movement, just know it's gonna sell. The next candle is gonna sell, gonna push massively. So that's what you have to be watching out for the strategy. It's pretty simple. And please, if you gained value from this strategy I give and or this video, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, drop a comment, give us the thumbs up, so that YouTube can share this to other people so that they could see it and also start making money from forex trading. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.